Alright, hubby's just clearing out some of the weeds and managing the rows in between so that you can see the rows a little bit more clearer. See the work he's already done. And if you compare it over here, to these rows, you can kind of see the difference and how it looks. Hopefully you can see the sun is really out today. So hopefully you can see. We're just clearing out the rows, making the garden look nice and neat, tidying up. Just that's what's going on in the garden today. Important to keep your rows clean and nice and neat so you can walk through and you can see the difference in a row and the difference in where you plant it, and you can really get to your harvest. So just keeping those rows clean. It's a lot of physical work. Gardening is work, and so you gotta have some essential tools like a hoe and a rake, shovel, that kind of stuff, so that you can really take care of your garden. And really prepare to have a good harvest. Got these stones for free. Someone gave us these stones. They're nice. They're actually real granite. So see, my back is to the sun. Let's see if I can get you up so you can see more.
Coming up. Careful.
Oh, we got some stuff coming up. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. And see, you can kind of see things coming up when you keep your rows clean. Sorry if this guy is dark, but like I said, the sun is out today. A lot of shadows today. But you get the idea. This is quad 1. Quad 2 is clean. So careful not to dig up anything we planted. Clean rows. Looks good. Get in front so it can just look nice. We are in a suburban area, so we want to keep it looking very nice for the neighborhood. And this is, as you can hear, a pretty busy street. We're right down the street from a school, so we want to just make sure that it looks nice. And we're keeping, as much as we can, some of the weeds out. We can't do everything. You're gonna have some weeds no matter what. But the garden is looking nice. Look at these. Look how they're coming up. Look at that. Look at those. They are really coming up. And you can see things when they're clean, when it's clean. I don't know how well you can see because the sun. I don't know how well this video will do. I'll probably put it up anyway. But yeah. Just so you can see. Hopefully you can see. And then those are our staked beams. Yeah. So it looks perfect. Looks gorgeous, actually. So hubby's gonna get up some of the dirt, spill it in a bucket, and you can use it for something else later. So nothing ever goes to waste in the garden. If you just rake it into piles, like he's done, then you can just grab it.